All right, 2012 Mustang 3.7 liter V6. Go ahead and crank it. Go ahead and crank it again. So we got the front timing cover off, and here is the crank bolt. And here is the lower sprocket. You'll see here when I move the crank, the sprocket just spins on the crank. So that sprocket should be turning while I turn, when I turn this engine. Took the tensioner off so I could get the lower gear sprocket off for the timing. And if you notice right here, there's supposed to be a pin sticking out of there that secures the sprocket, and that pin is sheared, completely sheared, and that you can see it just sitting right inside there. So that's the deal.